Back again, we're going to fire this Command 20. This baby really runs, there's no question about it. We're going to excite the solenoid right there. Heard it snap. Just unhook the fuel right there, shuts that shut off, and that is an excellent running motor. This one here has a double clutch in the front, or double pulley, I should say, in the front. This 20 really runs. This will make this a good deal, because I was told this motor did not run, but as you can see, it's a good runner. So we're going to get it put back together, move on to a welding job, and then who knows what else. So everyone have a great day. And appreciate everyone that watches my videos here every day.